Okay, starting the app, we start in the token setup welcome screen because we have to create our token. So I start the wizard, just enter a name for the token. I have an iPhone X. Next, I have to enter a PIN to secure my token data. Repeat the PIN. And maybe I use biometrics, so I can enable that. I have the question to allow that. Now it's verified and going next. Now the token is ready, but it contains no data, so I have to store data on it. For that, I have to connect my newly created token with the computer. Now I just scan the QR code from the login screen. There's the next requirement to allow the access to the camera. No, sorry, I have to commit the next requirement to access the network. Now I can scan the QR code, and the token should be connected to the computer. Now there's no data on the token already, so I have to go through the self-service. Sorry for the German words, but it should be visible. I enter the password for the selected user. I enter the PIN and I log into the computer. So now the login credentials are stored on the token. The computer connection shows some details, and I can disconnect, so the user will be locked. And now when I scan the QR code again to connect the token again to the computer, then I start the class 2 authentication for logging in. So there's the next requirement, I allow notifications. Then there's a notification. No, that's not what I wanted to do. I can select the method to unlock my token, maybe with PIN, maybe with biometrics. I will use biometrics. I accept the notification. Now the login credentials are provided for the computer and the login is complete. The token can be edited, maybe for changing the token label. Therefore, I have to enter the PIN, and then I can just add something to change the label. Also, I can change the PIN. I have to enter my current PIN, and then I have to repeat a new PIN, very secure. Okay, so I change the PIN. I also can enable or disable biometrics. Also, I have to enter the PIN for that. Oh, that one. Enable it. Quiet. After that, I have to give a smile. I also can delete the token. Then the connection will be lost again. And at the end, there are some informations provided for privacy or version information. The first are links to the homepage. So a browser comes up and shows the information, and the version is just the version. So well, that's it.